Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to install Python library on Visual Studio Code. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open your browsers, go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code to install it. So we click on the first website and click on download for Windows if you are using Windows. If you have anything like macOS or Linux, you can download it as well from here. Now, after that, you just have to install it next, and do the process of choosing the languages that you want. So make sure to choose Python. After that, guys, we will open it. So here it is, and we need to install Python. So sometimes you don't have really Python in the Visual Studio Code. So how to install it? Go to extensions, which is over here. You can open it also using Control Shift and X, and it will be open for you. So go here and search for Python. Here we go, and then choose Python from this section and click on download. As you can see, this is the Python. So here we are ready to go. Now let's create a new file by going to here and then going to new file and then choosing the Python, and here we go, untitled Python file. So now, for example, if you want to import any kind of library, you have to import it through that and put the name of the library that you want to add it. So there is two ways to actually import the library. The first one, which is by going to here and search for the library. If it was possibly here in this extensions, you can actually just install it and it will be added directly here. If not, you can just go to the terminal and then search for pip install, and you need to have this library in your PC. So pip install. If not, try pip3. So if you have pip3, which is Python 3, you just have to write here pip3 and then install, and then the name of the extension and of the library, and then just click enter and it will be working for you. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually install any kind of library in Visual Studio Code. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any kind of question, please leave them down below and see you in the next tutorial.